Hello everyone, I'm a full 减碳 foreign trade practitioner, mainly selling maternal and baby products. 我的主业是外贸从业者，主营母婴用品。I have 5 years of teaching experience. I'm very familiar with basic foreign trade knowledge and real business situations. My biggest feature is teaching practical business Chinese. 我的课程最大特色就是主打实战商务中文。If you need Chinese for order negotiation, factory visits, exhibition communication, email reply, and daily business work, I'm the right teacher for you. All the sentences and skills I teach are from real foreign trade work. 我教的所有内容全部来自真实外贸场景，不教死板的书本中文。Besides business Chinese, I also provide professional HSK exam training. Whether you learn Chinese for business career or official exams, I can customize a suitable learning plan for you. 无论你是职场商务用途，还是考试拿证，我都可以为你定制专属学习方案。I will make your Chinese learning easy, efficient, and practical. Looking forward to learning Chinese with you. 期待和大家一起进步。